Hey guys, so this is Jake Ryan with my 2016 bike check. Alright, let's get started with the top of the bike. We'll go down. So here we got the Animal Edwin grips. They're holding up. I mean, this one, I don't know why, it's just that one honestly, but I guess because I spin to the right since I am left and forward. But yeah, they're pretty good grips actually, they're really comfortable. They do kind of wear out pretty fast, but I still like them. Then over here we have the Odyssey Parins. Really nice Parins. I mean, I love them. I don't think I'll ever have any other Parins. Going down to the bars, we have GT Signature BK bars. They're pretty good. Not the biggest rise, but I still like them. Going down, we have the Fit V2 high top stem, front load, or top load, I mean. Going down here, we have the Colony headset. Nothing really special, just Colony headset. Then we have the some really dusty Fit forks, Fit Prospect forks. And for the tread, it is a Odyssey. I'm not sure what it is, honestly. I just traded someone for these treads. So we have an Odyssey tread, and we have a Wise, I think it is, Wise rim. I'm not really sure. Wise hub, I assume. Just some random spokes. I'm guessing Wise maybe. It's probably stock. Going on with the frame, we have a Fit Prospect frame. It's pretty nice. Here's a Fit. It's pretty nice. It's all stickered out with like Shadow, Empire, United, random stuff like that. Then going down to the cranks, we have Redline Monster cranks. They're actually really nice. I was actually really surprised because of how cheap they were. They were like $89, which is really good for cranks. So we have right here is a Madeira sprocket in chrome, obviously. Then we have a Colt full link chain because it seems like once I get a half link chain it breaks, so I'm just gonna stick with full link chains. Then down here we have the Odyssey Twisted PC pedals. These are really nice pedals. Really weird to get used to, but once you get used to them, I don't know, I think I'm going to stick with these pedals. Maybe I might switch out in the future, but I really like them. Then we have a Fit bottom bracket. This is kind of normal bottom bracket, can't really say much about it. Same with the seat post. It's a stolen Thermalite, but it's just a seat post, you know. Then we have a Shadow Conspiracy seat. I'm not really sure what it is. I kind of forgot. Yeah, Shadow Conspiracy. Then in the back we have Odyssey, same tread over here, I think. Just about the same tread. And the rim is a Wingman. It's not the best, not the worst. Spokes get loose occasionally, but I think this rim's good with that right now. Yeah, we have a Black Ops hub right here, in black, of course. We have a Odyssey MPEG. Got a cassette, over here the noise. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Love my bike. Holds up to about anything.